What's up, Bella Gang? It's your girl, Miss Bella Amazon, coming to you with another video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay connected for my next video.
Hey. What's up, y'all? What's up? Okay, so today I want y'all to hang out with me. I want y'all to hang out with me. I am going to get my first Brazilian sugar wax or something like that. And y'all, I'm nervous, I'm scared. So we're in the car and we're about to head off. I'm going to Queen Sugars here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm really nervous. I'm nervous, y'all. That's, you know, that's my little pride and joy down there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so today y'all going to follow me as I get my first sugar Brazilian wax. I think I'm saying that right. But yeah, stay tuned and hopefully I can record and all that good stuff while I'm in there. But stay tuned. We are here at Queen Sugar hair removal. Yeah, I'm a little late. All right. Queen Sugar hair removal studio. Knock, knock, hey.
How are you?
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. I told you, don't be scared.
And I apologize for being late.
Okay, come on in. We're fine.
Do you mind if I record?
You
Just
recording?
yeah, I do YouTube.
Yeah. Oh, good.
So yeah, and I'm kind of building my little my page up and stuff.
Right there. Do you have to go to the bathroom first?
No, I think I'm good.
You good? Okay. All right. So I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna let you change.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take everything off your bottom.
Okay.
You'll lay on top of this towel with your head this way.
Okay.
Okay, on your back.
Gotcha.
You can drape this over yourself. I'm gonna step out and let you change it, and I'm gonna come right back in, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Here goes, you guys. Let me show you guys the room. It's really nice. Excuse the sirens. It's really nice. Queen Sugar hair removal studio. Really nice. She is nice. Okay, so I have to change and put that towel over me. So here goes, y'all. I'm ready.
You're ready.
I think so.
Yes, you ain't going nowhere.
Oh, I'm being held hostage.
No backing out now. The bed is going up. Action on you. So.
Okay, I'm just recording me. Like, I don't even know if I'll be able to hold this phone. Jesus.
You are going to be fine. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to clean the area.
Okay.
And just make sure none of the natural oils and moisture. That way the sugar will stick. And then,
I'm already crying.
Dump for what?
I'm already crying.
That just dries the cleaner. Okay. Alright, so what I want you to do, I'm going to have you bring both out like this. Yep, perfect. You got it. Look at you.
I feel like I'm at the gynecologist.
Like you never did this before.
Well, you know, I make sure the doctor look all up in there now.
You gotta make sure everything's functioning, right? Everything's good. Make sure she's doing what she's supposed to do.
Y'all, she raised the bed and everything. Like,
Alright. So I'm getting my sugar. I'm gonna show it to you before we start.
Okay. So this is Brazilian sugar wax, or
It's not wax. People say sugar wax, but it's sugar wax. There is a such thing as sugar wax. It's actually a wax that's made with sugar. This is a sugar paste.
Okay.
So that's why
Put that in the view.
Put
right
that
here.
in here.
That's sugar paste, y'all. That's what she using.
So it's a paste. Take this hand and pull right here.
Okay.
Yes. That way you can still hold your phone. Okay. I'm gonna start right here. Now what happened? You feel me pulling that on? So what that's doing?
Oh, I already feel you pulling hair.
We ain't even pulling nothing. So this is. Don't make me laugh.
This is gonna be painful.
So when I do this, it's seeping into your follicle. That's why it's a little warm. It's not hot like wax is. And then when you feel me do that, it's taking the hair with it.
But wait.
It's gonna take all day.
Yes, this
All
go.
right.
Okay, y'all.
Okay.
I got to
That's
go.
it.
I got to concentrate on this situation here.
Tell them you'll be right
Bye.
back.
Listen, Linda. Listen, y'all. I don't even know what to say. This shit hurts.
It's not unbearable because you're still talking.
Because this like
You
this.
still on camera,
This-
still cute.
This is.
Lashes
I'm
still
hurting.
popping.
I'm perspiring. It won't be when I get out of here. I've been crying. Oh, she about to catch. It's warm. I got to go. I'll be back. Y'all, your girl came here looking like something. Now my bun is everywhere. I about fell off the table. I got hot. But she the bomb. Miss Queen Sugar. Charlotte. Oh, look her. She good people too. I was crying and laughing all at the same time. But I will say that, well, I already told her this, but this is my first time. So yeah, it was painful. But then there's no aftermath pain. Like, I don't feel anything after. I just feel like it's bald. You know, it's bald. She got the fan blowing, so it's real cool down there right now. So, but yeah, I'm gonna give it another shot. She told me what to do, and I'm gonna do it. But I think I like it. Once I get just used to it, I should be fine. I'm glad I did it, even though I'm gonna talk mad shit. I am.
Okay. Done. I'm gonna let you down.
Well, the table's dropping. It's time to go.
You going home?
It's time to go. See y'all later. All right, guys. So it is over. My bun is a mess. It's not the way I started, but I will say, overall experience was a 10. Miss Khiana is very, this is her Queen Sugar. It's probably backwards, but that's her number, 704-458-8680. She's actually really good, y'all. Queen Sugar hair removal.
Overall, the experience was a 10. Doing it initially, when she first started, oh my God, y'all, she said the hairs that I had down there, and it was pretty low. She was like, girl, this is senior citizen hairs. She was like, now when your hair start growing back, that's gonna be like, you know, brand new baby hair. Y'all, this bun is through. I was sliding off the bed. I almost hit the floor. Let me put some on my lips. But I'm surprised my lashes done made it. But I'm calming down now. As far as how I feel right now, I feel good. It's no like aftermath, as far as like no burning sensation or anything like that. After doing some research, hold on, let me. So after doing some research, I wanted to do this, and I wanted to determine if I wanted to do wax or if I wanted to do sugar wax, or it's not even, she corrected me, it's not even sugar wax, it's really just sugar paste. And what the paste does is it sticks to your skin, and it actually seeps into your pores or your hair follicles, and actually gets the whole entire root out. So I like that, because wax, where I've done that before, but not down there. I've done it like with my eyebrows before, and the wax can be too hot, it can pull your skin off, all of that. So I didn't really want to go that route. So I did some research, because I knew I wanted to do Brazilian. I wanted to be completely just like bald all the way through, because when you shave, and I've been shaving all my life consistently, I got tired of the ingrown hairs, the hair bumps, things like that. No matter, if you shave the right way or whatever, just the way your hair grows back, you're subject to getting that. And I just wanted to do a different method, and then just kind of go from there. And I had to go through the experience at least one time to determine if it was something I wanted to continue to do. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to go for it. So I did my research, I kind of looked around, things like that. And I am a big supporter. I support Black businesses. I support all businesses, but I definitely support Black businesses. And after doing some research, I found Queen Sugar Hair Removal, and the owner is Black. She's very, very, very good. She has years of experience in this. She was formerly a makeup artist, and she still does it on the side. And she said that sugar hair removal kind of found her. So I definitely can say that I will be back. She the follow-up she gave me, she said, because I'm new to this, and that this is my first time, so that my hair can start to get trained to getting sugared or whatever. That's what I'm gonna call it. She suggested I come every three to 4 weeks. And up until then, once I get used to it, then I can kind of schedule 4 to 6 weeks. She said after that, she said give it about 4 days, exfoliate once a week. She suggested getting a exfoliating glove, and you use whatever body wash or soap that you use down there in your kitty, and she said exfoliate once a week, and that will help as far as the process. You don't need to shave, you don't need to nair, you don't need to do anything in between the visits. That will pretty much counteract what she's done, and what the sugaring does for you, as far as the sugaring also exfoliates you while she's actually removing the hair. So if you start to nair or shave or whatever the case may be, the growth of the hair is going to change. But with the sugaring, your hair starts to thin out, and it starts to grow like baby hairs for the most part. So then that's also helps it to get easier. And of course, she said don't let your hair grow tremendously or a whole lot, because then the coarser it is, you're pretty much going to go back. It's going to feel like the first time. I had some stubborn hairs. Yeah, I had some stubborn hairs, and y'all, if I'm by myself, so I couldn't, if I could really had like somebody with me to actually like record my reaction, I don't even know if I would have let you see it. But it was fun. It was fun. She was fun. Like, we had jokes and stuff, and if you know me, like I just say what's on my mind. But other than that, very great experience. I recommend Queen Sugar Hair Removal, Charlotte, North Carolina. I recommend her. Come by, see her, check her out. It's been a great experience, and thank you for joining me.